2. Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this steady state pullover hoodie from Lululemon. This is, I don't remember the color, but I will definitely put the color in the video name description. So it's a relaxed fit hoodie. It's really nice. I like how there's no drawstrings, cords up there. Got the Lululemon tag. Yeah, it has a nice kangaroo pouch here. Let's see, what else? Here's the sleeves, check out the back. It fits really well. It's slightly relaxed, nice sized hood. Yeah, and I really like it. Simple, comfortable, looks nice in my opinion, the color and all that. And yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you are doing well, and I will catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.